Oh, this is a good fish. God damn it. Oh. Hello guys. Welcome back to another episode of Silent Fish Hunter. I do apologise, I haven't done many full lengths. I think I've only done one actually. Still getting the hang of my GoPro and keeps dying on me mid-session and I don't end up getting enough content for a full video, but yeah. Here we are today. Trying for a big conger today, that's the plan. We're at a lovely mark. Got some fresh mackerel. It was been frozen down since being caught, but it was very well looked after being caught. Kept very fresh, so fingers crossed, should be good. Did have a couple for dinner actually the other night, and they were really nice. But yeah, I thought I'd show you where I'm going to be fishing. So I'm keeping it really simple today. I can't be arsed. I've just got a simple running ledger. Ignore my tag in there. 4 ounce weight on there, just so I can pelt it out a bit. Got a 4.0 circle hook, and then a little dongle system on there. I like this, it just makes it easier for me to wrap my bait to, stays on better, and hopefully lead to more hookups. So I've got my mackerel tail here, still a little bit on the frozen side, but that's alright. I'm just gonna hook it through there, get that barb exposed, get my dongle there, hold it in place, and I'm just going to wrap that to the dongle if I can get hold of it. There you are. I'm going to get that on there nice and tight, slipping down. Should have made this dongle a little bit longer, but oh well, I'll just cut my bait next time, probably a little bit shorter. Get that on there real nice and tight. And I like to go round the hook a couple of times as well. Cool. There we go. One nice conger bait. Let's get it out there. Right, we've still got probably about 30 minutes before the tide's proper low enough to get off the end here, but I reckon I can get a cast out now, so I'm gonna whack that nice chunky bit of mackerel out and yeah, see if we can pick one up. Only problem with this place is the ferry. So I'll try and cast, be careful, the ferry don't get my line. Bait, so hopefully something big will grab that. What I think will happen is I'll end up having to keep my rod nice and low, my line low, and hopefully I can get out a bit further under the boat. Risky business though. Right, that one's off. I'm going to set up a second rod as well, but more entertainment between fish. I'm going to set up a little bream rig on there, 2 hooks, small hooks, squid strip. Yeah, just have a little play around. I've got a lure rod with me as well, nice little lure on there. I might have a little flick about too. But yeah, it's worth a shot on it. I'm going to try and save my battery on the GoPro, but in a bit I'm probably going to switch over to head cam and yeah, fingers crossed get some fish. Well, a little bit of chaos there and a lovely surprise. So I moved my rods a bit further down, now the water's gone down. Got my line right out there, lovely huge mackerel chunk, and I started getting a bite and I'm like, oh shit, GoPro's all the way over here. So it missed out, but it took a few times. I had to let a bit of line out, let me, and finally I struck up to this beauty. I tell you what, he put up a fine scrap. Gorgeous. Yeah, I'd say he's a good 4 pound really. I'm gonna give him a measure in a minute. But yeah, he's coming home for the table for sure. Hell yeah. First cast. Let's go. For a laugh, I chucked a little mackerel head out on this little rod, just free lining, and I had a solid bite. I'm not sure if it's still got it or not. No. Look at that, beautiful. Stunning. Come on. Really don't want to lose this one. Come on. Come on. Right, we're getting him in now. There he is. Oh my god. That's a good eel. Very good eel. Oh, that's a double. Oh, look at that. Fantastic. Oh, what a fatty. That's a better one, isn't it? Oh, wow. There he is. Oh. Ah, didn't even know this chat was on. Might have gone.